The International Fund for Agricultural Development, or IFAD, was established on December 15, 1977, as a specialized agency of the United Nations. Headquartered in Rome, Italy, IFAD is dedicated to eradicating poverty and hunger in rural areas of developing countries through agricultural development. IFAD's unique focus on rural areas, where the majority of the world's poorest and hungriest people live, distinguishes it from other international financial institutions. By empowering rural people to increase their agricultural productivity and improve their living conditions, IFAD aims to create vibrant and sustainable rural communities. IFAD's mission is to eradicate poverty and hunger in rural areas of developing countries through agricultural development. The organization envisions a world where rural communities thrive and are free from poverty and hunger. This vision is realized by supporting projects and programs that improve agricultural productivity, enhance rural livelihoods, and strengthen the resilience of rural communities. IFAD's work is guided by the belief that rural people are key agents of change and that investing in their potential is essential for sustainable development. IFAD is led by a president who oversees the organization's operations and ensures that its policies and strategies are effectively implemented. The president is supported by the Governing Council, which is the main decision-making body of IFAD. The Governing Council is composed of representatives from IFAD's member states and meets annually to set policies, approve budgets, and review the organization's activities. The Executive Board, which meets 3 times a year, is responsible for approving projects and programs, providing strategic guidance, and overseeing the implementation of policies. This governance structure ensures that IFAD remains accountable to its member states and responsive to the needs of rural communities. IFAD's key functions and activities focus on agricultural development, rural finance, climate resilience, and gender equality. In the area of agricultural development, IFAD supports projects that enhance agricultural productivity, improve food security, and promote sustainable farming practices. These projects help rural people increase their incomes and improve their livelihoods. IFAD also provides financial services to rural communities to support income-generating activities. By improving access to credit, savings, and insurance, IFAD helps rural people invest in their businesses and manage risks. Climate resilience is another important focus of IFAD's work. The organization promotes practices that enhance the resilience of rural communities to climate change, such as climate-smart agriculture and sustainable land management. Additionally, IFAD is committed to empowering women and promoting gender equality in rural areas. By supporting initiatives that improve women's access to resources, education, and decision-making, IFAD helps to ensure that rural women can fully participate in and benefit from agricultural development. IFAD has achieved significant milestones in its mission to eradicate poverty and hunger in rural areas. One of the most notable achievements is the significant progress in reducing rural poverty through agricultural development projects. By supporting smallholder farmers and rural entrepreneurs, IFAD has helped millions of rural people increase their incomes and improve their living conditions. In the area of food security, IFAD has made substantial contributions to improving food security and nutrition in rural areas. The organization's projects have increased agricultural productivity, diversified diets, and enhanced access to nutritious foods. IFAD has also played a crucial role in supporting rural communities in adapting to climate change. and building resilience. Through its climate adaptation projects, IFAD has helped rural people adopt sustainable farming practices, manage natural resources, and reduce their vulnerability to climate shocks. Additionally, IFAD has made significant strides in enhancing the role and status of women in rural development. By promoting gender equality and empowering women, IFAD has helped to ensure that rural women can fully participate in and benefit from agricultural development. Despite its successes, IFAD continues to face significant challenges in its mission to eradicate poverty and hunger in rural areas. One of the most pressing challenges is addressing the persistent issue of poverty in rural areas. While significant progress has been made, many rural people still live in poverty and lack access to basic services and opportunities. Another major challenge is supporting rural communities in mitigating and adapting to climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to agricultural productivity and rural livelihoods, and IFAD works to enhance the resilience of rural communities to its impacts. Ensuring food security and nutrition for all rural people is another critical challenge. IFAD works to improve agricultural productivity, diversify diets, and enhance access to nutritious foods to address food insecurity in rural areas. Promoting gender equality and empowering women in rural areas is also a key challenge. IFAD is committed to ensuring that rural women can fully participate in and benefit from agricultural development, but significant barriers remain. These challenges underscore the importance of IFAD's work and the need for continued action to support rural communities. Despite its successes, IFAD continues to face significant challenges in its mission to eradicate poverty and hunger in rural area. Looking ahead, IFAD is focused on supporting the transformation of rural economies to achieve inclusive and sustainable development. The organization works to create vibrant and sustainable rural communities by promoting agricultural productivity, improving rural livelihoods, and enhancing access to basic services and opportunities. Climate action is another important focus of IFAD's work. The organization is committed to enhancing support for climate action and resilience building in rural areas by promoting climate-smart agriculture, sustainable land management, and other practices that enhance the resilience of rural communities to climate change. Innovation is also a key priority for IFAD. The organization promotes innovation and technology to drive agricultural development and rural transformation. By supporting innovative approaches and technologies, IFAD helps rural people increase their productivity, improve their livelihoods, and adapt to changing conditions. Additionally, IFAD places a strong emphasis on partnerships. The organization works to strengthen partnerships with governments, the private sector, and civil society to achieve common goals and create a more inclusive and sustainable future for rural communities. In conclusion, IFAD's commitment to rural development and poverty eradication remains unwavering. The organization continues to adapt and innovate to meet the evolving challenges of agricultural development and rural transformation, working tirelessly to ensure that all rural people can achieve a better quality of life. As we have seen, IFAD's work spans a wide range of areas, from agricultural development and rural finance to climate resilience and gender equality. Despite the significant challenges, IFAD's achievements and impact are a testament to the dedication and efforts of its staff, partners, and supporters around the world. We invite you to join us next time as we explore another international agency and its contributions to global development and human rights. Thank you for your attention. And we look forward to continuing this journey together.